Here's how to make an origami dragon in just 10 seconds. Don't believe me? Then watch this. This dragon was designed to be made quickly for those times when you need a dragon right now. Start by folding the paper in half diagonally, across this way. And open it up. Now we're going to fold this point up to about here. Now there's no exact amount, but about there is where this one needs to go. I lined up the point with the diagonal fold. Now keeping in line with this diagonal fold, bring this point down to here a little bit. Now we're going to fold this side so as it lines up with this line in the middle. Just like that. And same on the other side. Now we're going to fold both of these flaps down, leaving about this much on the side. Here's what I mean. Fold it over, leaving it down about that much. So you've left about that much on the side. And do the same on this side. I make it so as it's a straight line along this edge after the fold. Now fold it in half this way. And we're nearly done. These are the legs and feet. We're just gonna pull it down a little bit and squash it down when it looks good. And this is the tail. So we're gonna fold that up. To about there. The only thing that's better than making your own 10-second dragon is designing your own simple origami. Choose this video to find out how I designed my 10-second dragon.